Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. Well, it was great to see you out at the house today. What a beautiful house. What a great location in this community, the Culver Park community. It's this established neighborhood in University City area, and I love that area. Developed primarily between the 1980s and 90s, and you can go ahead and read this, but just a wonderful area with parks in it, wonderful place to raise children. Let's go from here, though. Let's start looking at your chimney. So what we're looking at here is this is a little effervescence on the outside of the chimney here, and this was caused by water cascading over the roof, and like a waterfall, really, and that's what makes these little bit of dark mold stains here. It gets this area nice and wet. It wicks out some of the effervescence here, but I believe because of the event of installing this diverter, I think that situation has been solved. The other thing is we've got a little chipped brick here, broken brick, really not an issue. Up on top, it's got a nice stainless steel cap here, keeping the rain, the birds, and the squirrels out. But also there's a lot of cracks up in the concrete crown. That's this area here, right? And it's kind of like the lid of a jar, you know. It keeps the rain and stuff out. A lid does, and that's what this is doing. But with the cracks and stuff, moisture gets down in there. We have freezing temperatures. It expands during any of that trapped moisture during freezing temperatures expands, and of course it starts loosening up the bricks. So in my show notes, my advice is to go ahead, and I like Tony over at RGS. I wrote his information in there for you and an approximate price on making that repair. It is a wood-burning fireplace with a set of glass doors. Firebox is showing average wear and tear. There's a little hairline crack right there in the brick, but it's not causing a problem. Damper's working well. Smoke chamber, flue system looks fine. If folks have any questions for me at all, give me a call, 704-526-6348. You can email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?